In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to short on Robinhood. Short selling is a fascinating strategy, allowing you to potentially profit from a decline in a stock's price. However, it carries significant risks. Let's dive in and explore the steps to short on Robinhood, ensuring you understand how to navigate this carefully. First, you need to make sure you meet certain requirements. Short selling on Robinhood is not available to everyone. You need to have margin investing enabled on your account. This is crucial because short selling involves borrowing shares. Having a margin account allows you to do this. Also, ensure that you have an eligible individual investing account. This means your account must be approved for margin trading. Additionally, your portfolio must have a minimum value of $2,000. This threshold is set to ensure you have enough capital to cover potential losses. Remember, losses in short selling can be unlimited if the stock price rises instead of falling. Finally, you also need access to Robinhood's short selling feature. It's being rolled out gradually, so make sure it's available for your account. With that ready, open your Robinhood app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find the stock you wish to short. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to locate the stock. Tap on the stock to go to its page. This is an important step because selecting the correct stock ensures you are targeting the right investment. Next, start a short order. On the stocks page, you'll see an option to trade. Tap on trade and then select short instead of buy. This indicates you want to sell shares you do not currently own. This step is critical as it sets up your intention to short sell the stock. Now, review the details Robinhood provides for your short sale. You'll see the number of shares you wish to short, the estimated borrow fee, margin requirements, and potential risks. This is where you need to pay close attention. Understanding these details is important as it helps you anticipate the costs involved and the risks you are taking. After you've reviewed everything carefully, it's time to submit the order. Swipe up on the screen to submit your short sale. This action finalizes your order, and you will see a confirmation appear on the screen. Remember, double-checking your order here ensures that you have entered the correct details. Now, let's talk about the costs associated with shorting stocks on Robinhood. Robinhood may charge margin interest and stock borrow fees. These borrow fees can vary by stock and change daily based on supply and demand. Being aware of these costs is crucial, as they can affect your overall profit or loss. Lastly, it's important to understand the risks involved in short selling. Losses can exceed your initial investment because there's no limit to how high a stock's price can go. Robinhood may also close short positions without notice in certain situations, such as margin calls or if borrowed shares become unavailable. Additionally, if you short dividend-paying stocks, you might be responsible for dividend-equivalent payments. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to short on Robinhood. By understanding each step and the associated risks, you can make informed decisions. Remember, while short selling can be profitable, it is not without its challenges. Always trade carefully and consider consulting a financial advisor if you have any doubts.